Good morning, day 58 of 75 hard. Here's a fun fact. If you are trying to, I hate saying trying to, if you're trying to lose weight, if you're trying to drop body fat, get leaner, you're going to be hungry. There's going to come a point where you're hungry. And I don't mean like everyday hunger. Like, you're going to be hungry. You're going to wake up and be like, I want to eat my fucking arm off. And that is a normal part of weight loss and fat loss. It is okay to be hungry. I know we live in a time where food is more accessible than any other time in human history. Your fridge is probably full. If it's not full, you can order food. You can summon it from the internet, which is amazing. I'm sure if you find the right place of the internet, you could probably pay someone to walk into your house and shove food in your face hole, which is frightening and awesome all at the same time. But just because you're hungry doesn't mean you need to eat. And again, don't get so hungry that you're like lightheaded and being hangry with people. Like, nobody wants that. Like, drink some water and shut the fuck up. But it's okay to be hungry. You can be hungry. I promise you, you'll be fine. You're not gonna wither away, especially if you're still trying to lose weight and lose body fat. You got some reserves on your body. You'll be all right. So just know that is part of the process, that it's normal. It's normal. And you're going to be okay. Y'all make good choices. Have a great day. I'll see you later. Hey, what's up, party people? Day 58. All my tasks are done. It is not even 4 o'clock, which is incredible. Once again, the system is in play and the system is working. It's being executed the way it's supposed to, which makes the day so much easier. Dinner is already planned for tonight, so I have no qualms about what I'm going to eat the rest of the day. My snack, like, everything is planned. Everything is in place. I have no more decisions to make the rest of the day. I'm just checking off boxes, and I'm not just going through the motions, but the checklist is there. All I have to do is do the things, and damn, it makes it easy. I'm telling you, whether you're doing 75 hard or not, it doesn't even matter. Like, if you can implement a system like this in your life, not just your health and fitness, but your life in general, of the way you want your days to go, the things you want to accomplish, what you're going to eat, the activities you're going to do, it doesn't stymie you. It actually frees you. It frees your decision making. It frees your mind from all these decisions that we have to make day after day after day that bog us down mentally, physically, emotionally. It allows you to be creative and spend time with your loved ones and be intentional about the things that you actually love doing, and spend less time lifing and more time living. There you go. Y'all make good choices. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.